All right, today we've got an early 80s Repco Superlite. Friction shifting, Cromley main tubes, alloy crank, Shimano derailleurs. New chain, tires, let's take a first spin. Now, as with any old bike, you're going to get little spots and specks of, well, whatever. Let's call it patina, anything else, especially here at the chain guard. You're gonna see these little spots of rust. Doesn't look too structural. Typical failure points for these things are near joints anyways, especially near the bottom bracket. Yeah, occasionally near the head tube as well. And yeah, you can grab one of these things just about anywhere. It even smooths out the bumps on that little thing there. There's a tendency to romanticize steel, but it does have certain characteristics, and it's just undeniable. You know, you can catch it on YouTube videos, or you can see frame flexing, you know? I'll attach a link in the description for that. Anyway, this is the first video. Hope you like it. So, riding impressions. Feels very solid. Pretty safe, actually. There's just a certain kind of I don't know how to put it. There's just something about it. Feels like they've really refined this design where even a stamped out Taiwan bicycle just feels solid and yet alive. And if you don't know, well, grab one. I'm selling this one already, but there'll be others like it. A lot of others. So far, first impressions are very good. It's ridden very smoothly. Back wheel is still mostly true. Chain hasn't slipped, which is what I was afraid of. Grips feel good.